Welcome back to another video from John Cleese Car Audio. My name is Max. I'm going to give you a very brief run around this VW Amarok I'm sat in. We've just replaced the stereo in this system for the Kenwood DMX8021 DABS Apple CarPlay head unit, which works wirelessly for Apple CarPlay and also Android Auto. We've used a flush fitting kit which allows this radio to sit neatly in the dashboard. Customer was replacing this radio because the factory stereo had gone faulty, touchscreen had started to not work, and yeah, he wanted wireless Apple CarPlay as well, which is a bit of a bonus doing this. With the Amarok, we've kept the steering wheel controls working so the customer can adjust the volume up and down via the steering wheel controls on here. And also from the interface that we've used, you actually get a bit of parking sensor information which comes up on the central display here. Now also on this vehicle, this came fitted with a factory reverse camera, so when you stick it in reverse, you get the reverse camera image that is all factory, comes up on the display. Take it out reverse, it will switch you back to your Apple CarPlay side of things. So other features on this unit are also things like DAB, wireless Android Auto, wireless Apple CarPlay as I'm using now. It's also got a HDMI input if you wanted to add something like a Fire Stick in here, or even screen mirroring with Android phones as well. But yeah, big uplift from the factory system that's brought this vehicle up to date. We actually put the USB down into the centre down here for this one. A little bit hard to see, but I'm just going to try zoom in there. We just modified the factory aux-in socket to fit our USB-C connector down there. You're not going to have to plug into the stereo very often, but when you do, it's just down in the centre there, pretty discreet. And then this stereo even comes with a little adapter, so you can actually plug in a normal USB cable if you haven't got a USB-C. But yeah, many thanks for watching this video, guys. That's basically everything for this VW Amarok today. And yeah, if there's anything on our channel you want to see, hit us in the comments below. But thanks for watching, and we'll catch you again soon. Take care and goodbye.